Have you seen those ads for the America 250 shirt popping up all over your feed? You're not alone. With the big 250th anniversary of the US coming up, these shirts are everywhere. But here's the thing, not all of them are legit. Let's keep it simple. If you want the real deal, there's only one official America 250 store. It's tied directly to the national organization set up by Congress to celebrate the Big 250. If you're on their site, you're good. But if you stumbled onto a random ad, or a site with a sketchy name, watch out. Lately, scammers have been everywhere, especially on Facebook and Instagram. They're stealing videos, logos, and even using influencers' faces, like the rugby guy, to make their fake shops look real. People have paid good money, only to get nothing, or worse, a cheap knockoff that looks nothing like the ad. And if you try to return it? Good luck. The address is often in China, and returns cost more than the shirt. So, how can you protect yourself? First, double-check the URL. It should say, America 250 Store. No weird spellings, no extra dashes. Or, stick to trusted patriotic brands like Grunt Style or Nine Line Apparel. Both have legit 250th anniversary collections and tons of positive reviews. If you're unsure, search for reviews on sites like the BBB or Trustpilot, and check if the site has real contact details, not just a generic email. Bottom line, the America 250 shirt is legit, if you're buying from the real source. Don't fall for the scams, always double-check before you click buy.